Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove background noise in CapCut PC. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important step. So first of all, you need to open your CapCut application and then create or choose any project you want. Then you need to import any video file you want and then move it to this timeline. After that, you need to click on this video in the timeline, and then at the top right corner you need to click on the audio option. Then in this interface you need to scroll down and then click on this option, reduce noise. After that, CapCut automatically noise will be automatically reduced. And that's all, and that's how to remove background noise in CapCut PC. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.